Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add urgency bear countdown timer on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over and click on the apps right here. Under the apps, click on all recommended apps. Once you click on that, just scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. Another shortcut that you can do is you can just head over to the URL of Shopify App Store, which is apps.shopify.com. Then from in here, just search in here for urgency bear. And then from there, you should be able to see this urgency bear countdown timer. Click on that right there. And then once you have clicked on that, click on the install. And then once you put the install button, it will open a new window wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully install a specific application to your Shopify. So from in there, head over, click on the install button. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the dashboard. So let's just wait for that to finish loading process. So this is what the dashboard look like. So as you can see, countdown bear is disabled. So click on this enable right here. Then once you have clicked on that, it's been enabled in here. So in here on the settings, you can choose the themes or the preview that you want for this one. So for example, for me, I can choose the DIY and this is what it looks like. If you choose the sleep up, this is what it looks like. So just choose which one is for you. So for me, I'll just choose the formal. Now in here, you can show the countdown timer or you can also hide it. It just means that they only have a number of stock left. For me, I'll just show this. And in the inventory timer, you can also put in here a countdown for a specific time and date. If you also want, you can customize it however you want it to be. And then from in there, you can also see that you can change the background color of your specific countdown timer. So for example, with me, I can change it into something green and something orange. But for me, I'll just choose it into something white like this. And it looks like this right now. So you can also choose a countdown style. It can be like this or like this as well. It will take some time for it to load, but you can see the difference in them. So you can also choose the font, the alignment, and also show the inventory countdown. So this is really good if you have a limited time only apps or actual product. So in here, you can choose a store stock. So you have a total stock of 100, for example, you can put that right here. And you can put a text after stock number, which is left in stock. And you can also choose a color for that. So for the stock number color, I'll just choose this. And I'll also choose green for that. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you can also choose the counter style. Or it can be like this or which one you want. So you can also see in here the advanced settings. It will show on all the product pages. And it can also show on desktop or mobile right here. You can also put in here the countdown placement on the product page. And in order to display this in the custom location and the product page, place the following code inside the product template file. We'll start to copy that. Let's click on the template file right here. And then this will open a new window right there. So from in there, you should be able to see the new window open. So from in there, let's just head over and click on these three dots right here. Click on edit code. And then in here, you just need to look for the template file of the product page. So let's head over and then search in here for product. And then once you have searched in here for product, you should be able to see in here some product options like this product media, thumbnail, gallery right here. So for this one, let's head over and just choose this product gallery. And scroll the way down. And then add in here some spaces and then copy what you have. After that, just click on save and you should be able to see it now on your store. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.